Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about simultaneous measurement of the properties and uncertainty principle. Next heading is simultaneous measurement of properties, and uncertainty principle. Right? So what is mean by uncertainty principle? Both position and momentum cannot be determined simultaneously, right? So that is a statement of uncertainty principle. So generally, you should write whether two operators are simultaneously measured or not. So we have to check whether they are commute or not. If they are commute, they are determined simultaneously. If they are not commute, so they are not determined simultaneously. So simply statement is, so whether two operators are simultaneous or not, so we should check whether they are commute or not. If they are commute, they are simultaneously measured. So if they are not commute, so if they are not simultaneously measured, so first I am going to check whether they, so check, you should write check whether position and momentum check whether position and momentum, position is x cap and momentum is px cap. So we have to check whether the position and momentum commute or not. If they are commute, then they are simultaneously measured. So what is mean by commutator? If a cap, b cap, 2 are there, so what is mean by commutator? A cap, b cap, that is equal to b cap, a cap. So a cap, b cap is equal to what? B cap, a cap. So if they are both are equal, so they are commute with each other. So we will check whether the position and momentum are commute or not. You should write x means what? Position. X means position. Px cap means what? Momentum. Px cap means momentum. You should write px cap means momentum. You should write. So here I am going to write. So first x into px, x cap into px cap. So into psi is the function. So what is the x value is x. So into what is the px? What is the operator of px cap? Minus h by 2 pi I into dou. So you should write generally px cap is what? Minus I into h cap into dou by dou x, right? Dou by dou x. So what happens if you will do h cap means h by 2 pi I, h by 2 pi multiply and divide with I, you will get here not minus, you will get I into I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus you will get, so plus you will get, so you should write directly 2 pi I, h by 2 pi I, so you should write, generally what happens, px cap is what, minus I into h cap into dou by dou x, right? So what I am going to do, here multiply and divide with I, so what happens, I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus, so h cap means h by 2 pi, directly you should write h by 2 pi I into dou by dou x. So this and psi is the as it is, you should write psi is the as it is. So that means after differentiation psi is there, so directly d by dx of psi. This is the x value, this is the px value into psi is the as it is. So next I am going to write, this is a cap b cap equation number 1. Next b cap a cap, that is px cap into x cap into psi. So you should write what is the px cap value, h by 2 pi I into dou by dou x into, so x cap value is x and psi value is psi. So if you observe clearly, what happens here, after differentiation two terms are there, that is what, x and y. So you should write apply uv. Whenever after differentiation two terms are there, you should apply uv because both are two different functions. So if you will directly do, what happens, this h by 2 pi I am writing, so h by 2 pi I into first d by dx of uv is what, first one is as it is, x is as it is, and you should do the differentiation dou psi by dou x. So plus h by 2 pi I am going to multiply. So first uv into v dash means first one uv is as it is, second one differentiation dou psi by dou x plus, so this h by 2 pi I is as it is, then second one is as it is, psi is as it is, d by dx of x. So d by dx of uv is what? 1. so I am not going to write. This is equation number 2. So if you observe clearly, what happens? Equation 1 is not equal to equation 2. So equation 1, that means you should write x cap px cap is not equal to px cap x cap. So thence they are not commute with each other. So that means both position and momentum, x cap and momentum cannot be determined simultaneously. Already I told you what is our statement. If they are commute with each other, then they are simultaneously measured. So if they are not commute, right, here they are not commute with each other, hence both x cap and px cap are not simultaneously measured. Measured you should write. This is about simultaneous measurement. So I am going to give some extra. So that is, if you will write energy and px cap, energy especially I am taking kinetic energy here, energy ex cap, that is specially for kinetic energy. So then, and px cap square, so angular, this is what, momentum square. So first you should write the operator. So what is the kinetic energy operator? Minus h square by 8 pi square m into del square. This is kinetic energy operator. So del square. So that is, del square means what? You should write dou square by dou x square. First term, if I will take x, you should write dou square by dou x square. So this is the energy operator. Px cap, what is the px? Px is equal to, generally it is minus I into h cap into dou by dou x, right? So h cap means what? H by 2 pi. So if you square, what happens? If you square, minus square is plus, I square is again minus. You will get h square by 2 square is 4 pi square into dou square by dou x square you will get. So this is the px cap square. So again I am going to check whether they are commute or not. So first ex cap into, you should write here. So first E cap, energy cap into px cap square. So into psi, what is energy operator? Minus h square by 8 pi square m into dou square by dou x square. This is about energy. What is the px? So again it is minus h square by 4 pi square. You should copy paste the values, energy and momentum square. So dou square by dou x square into psi is there. You should write psi here. So because after differentiation psi is only there. So this is multiplication, right? So if you observe clearly, this is the energy value, this is px square value, this is the psi is as it is. So this is equation number 1 I am going to take. So next you should write px cap square into E cap of psi. What is the px cap square? What is the momentum square? Minus h square by 4 pi square into dou square by dou x square. What is this? Momentum square is as it is, you should write. Then what is energy? Minus h square by 8 pi square m into dou square by dou x square into, this is what, energy. Psi is as it is, you should write. This is equation number 2 if I will take. So if you observe clearly, what you are going to observe? Minus h square by 8 pi square is there. This is there. Dou square psi by dou x square is there. Dou square psi by dou x square is there. This term is there, right? So remaining is what? Minus. So here minus, you should write here, minus h square by 4 pi square. So dou square psi by dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou x square. This value is there, this value is there. So that means this is equal to this. That means you can say energy of px cap whole square is equal to px cap square into energy. So hence they are commute with each other. Hence they are commute with each other. If they are commute with each other, they can determine it simultaneously. This is about the simultaneous measurement of the properties and uncertainty principle. So in next video we will discuss about the particle in 1D box, 3D box, that we will discuss. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe my videos and share to your friends. Thank you very much.